Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Herbal Health and Vitality. I'm so glad to have you here with me today. I'm Sally, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into the wonderful world of herbs and their incredible benefits. Herbs have been used for centuries, not just for their flavors, but also for their healing properties and nutritional value. Today, I'm focusing on a true culinary hero, parsley. This humble herb is often overlooked, but it deserves a place in the spotlight. Often relegated to the side of the plate as a garnish, parsley is so much more than just a pretty face. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can boost your health in numerous ways. It's a nutritional powerhouse with a rich history and a surprising range of uses. From ancient times to modern kitchens, parsley has been cherished for its versatility and health benefits. Get ready to unlock the power of parsley as we explore its fascinating past, uncover its medicinal properties, and learn how it can be a game changer in your diet. We'll also be sharing some delicious and soothing recipes that highlight parsley's unique flavor and health benefits. From teas to soups and even smoothies, there's so much you can do with this amazing herb. So let's get started on this exciting journey of herbal discovery. Together, we'll uncover the secrets of parsley and learn how to incorporate it into our daily lives for better health and vitality. Parsley, scientifically known as Petroselinum crispum, boasts a long and storied history. This versatile herb originated in the Mediterranean region, where it was cultivated by the ancient Greeks and Romans. The Greeks held parsley sacred, using it to adorn tombs and crown victors of athletic games. They also recognized its medicinal properties, employing it to treat a variety of ailments. The Romans, too, were fond of parsley, incorporating it into their cuisine and even using it as a breath freshener. From these ancient civilizations, parsley's popularity spread throughout Europe and eventually made its way to the Americas. Parsley's reputation as a healing herb is well-deserved. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, parsley has been used for centuries to address a wide range of health concerns. It's a natural diuretic, helping to flush out excess fluids and toxins from the body. Parsley is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce swelling and pain. Additionally, it's a good source of vitamin K, which is essential for bone health. From ancient remedies to modern research, parsley continues to amaze us with its therapeutic potential. Beyond its health benefits, parsley is a culinary chameleon, lending its fresh, vibrant flavor to countless dishes. Its slightly peppery, slightly bitter taste adds a welcome complexity to soups, salads, sauces, and more. But did you know that parsley can also be the star ingredient in soothing and calming recipes? Try a simple parsley tea by steeping a handful of fresh leaves in hot water for a relaxing and digestive tonic. Or blend parsley with cucumber, lemon, and ginger for a refreshing and detoxifying smoothie. Embrace parsley's versatility and let it nourish your body and soul. Finding fresh parsley, from garden to grocery store. Ready to incorporate more parsley into your life? Well, you're in luck. Fresh parsley is widely available year-round. Look for it in the produce section of your local grocery store, often bundled alongside other fresh herbs like cilantro and dill. Choose bunches with vibrant green leaves that are free of wilting or discoloration. And hey, if you have a green thumb, consider growing your own parsley. It's a relatively easy herb to cultivate, thriving in both pots and garden beds. 5 fantastic benefits of including parsley in daily life. Adding parsley to your daily routine is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your health and well-being. This humble herb, often used as a garnish, is actually a nutritional powerhouse that can offer numerous health benefits when consumed regularly. Here are 5 fantastic benefits of making parsley a regular part of your diet. You might be surprised at just how much this little green herb can do for you. 1. Parsley is packed with vitamins C and A, potent antioxidants that help strengthen the immune system and protect against infections. These vitamins are essential for maintaining overall health, and parsley provides a natural and delicious way to get your daily dose. 2. Parsley's natural diuretic properties aid digestion by reducing bloating and promoting regularity. This can be particularly beneficial for those who suffer from digestive issues, as parsley helps to flush out excess fluids and toxins from the body. 3. Parsley's high chlorophyll content neutralizes odors, making it a natural breath freshener. Chewing on a few sprigs after meals can help keep your breath fresh and clean, and it's a much healthier alternative to sugary mints or gum. Chew on a few sprigs after meals to keep your breath fresh and clean. This simple habit can make a big difference in your oral hygiene routine. 4. The vitamins and antioxidants in parsley contribute to healthy, glowing skin by protecting against free radical damage and promoting collagen production. Incorporating parsley into your diet can help you achieve a radiant complexion and may even slow down the aging process. And 5. Some studies suggest that parsley may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a potentially beneficial herb for individuals with diabetes. By including parsley in your meals, you may be able to better manage your blood sugar levels and improve your overall health. So, whether you add it to your salads, soups, or smoothies, parsley is a versatile and nutritious addition to any diet. Start incorporating this amazing herb into your daily routine and enjoy the numerous health benefits it has to offer. Remember, sometimes the smallest changes can make the biggest impact on your health. Give parsley a try and see how it can enhance your well-being. Parsley Power. Refreshing parsley lemonade. This refreshing drink is perfect for a hot summer day or whenever you need a burst of freshness. Let's start with the ingredients. You will need 1 cup of tightly packed fresh parsley leaves. Make sure to wash them thoroughly to remove any dirt or impurities. Next, we need 1 cup of water. This will help blend everything smoothly. Then, add 1/2 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. This amount of lemon juice is typically obtained from about 2 medium-sized lemons. Fresh lemon juice gives the lemonade a vibrant and tangy flavor. For sweetness, add 1/4 cup of honey or maple syrup. You can adjust the amount based on your preference for sweetness, or to taste, and don't forget the ice. Ice will keep your lemonade refreshingly cold. Now, let's move on to the instructions. In a blender, combine the fresh parsley leaves. This herb not only adds a unique flavor, but also packs a punch of nutrients. Add the cup of water to help blend the parsley smoothly. Then, pour in the freshly squeezed lemon juice. And finally, add the honey or maple syrup. This will balance the tartness of the lemon juice and the earthiness of the parsley. Blend on high speed until the mixture is completely smooth. This should take about 1 to 2 minutes. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve over a pitcher. This step ensures that your lemonade is smooth and free of any parsley bits. Press down on the solids to extract as much liquid as possible. You don't want to waste any of that delicious mixture. Add ice to the pitcher and stir well. The ice will chill the lemonade and make it even more refreshing. Taste and adjust the sweetness as needed. If you prefer it sweeter, add a bit more honey or maple syrup. Serve immediately for a refreshing drink, or chill in the fridge for later. Enjoy your homemade parsley lemonade. A moment of gratitude. Thank you so much for joining me today on this exploration of parsley's incredible benefits. I hope this video has inspired you to incorporate this versatile herb into your daily life. Whether you're using it to enhance your favorite recipes, boost your health, or simply add a touch of freshness to your day, parsley is a true gift from nature. Stay connected. Like, subscribe, and explore. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more herbal health and vitality tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And be sure to check out my other videos for more delicious recipes, natural remedies, and let's all learn about different herbs and vitamins, and inspiring ideas for living a healthier, happier life. Until next time, wishing you herbal health and vitality. Thank you again for watching. I'm sending you all my best wishes for health and happiness. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Until next time, take care and be well.